Hi friends, look at the new background. Trying a different setup here, better lighting. Forgive the boxes. We're actually about to start moving here, hopefully in the coming weeks. So I'm gonna start packing this weekend. Packing and packing and packing. So collecting boxes, you know, doing the thing. Desperately need a haircut. Dorona grow out is real. I'm hoping that once we're all good to go back to like the salons and stuff, that my girl Stephanie will maybe take into account the need, because the need is real. Like I need a trim, I need some weight of this hair taken out, and I need a color real bad. This is probably my own fault for trying to be, or for trying to sport a different color of hair than what I naturally have, but you know how it goes. Okay, so today I have a snack and a drink. There's the man cat. We're going to start with this Mong Li Sheng Pearl Soybean Drink with Tapioca Ball. Strawberry flavored. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see if we, you know, it just says something that I can't read. It looks tasty, ready to drink. So we'll just open it and see, I guess. Smells like strawberry milk. I have a Hello Kitty glass here. Are there balls in it, I wonder? Oh God, oh God. There they are, there they are, okay. Whew. I think I got them all. You see them down there? Not what I would consider tapioca balls. They more look like jellies to me. But see how it says that there's tapioca balls in there? But this definitely looks more like jelly instead of boba. But cheers. I guess I should smell it first. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells more strawberry in here than it does in here. I can't decide. It's strawberry flavored, but it's got that soy after flavor, if you will. And I should have brought a spoon or a straw to get some of the jellies. I'll be right back. Okay. Not my favorite. You know, the pearls aren't bad for being a canned concoction. They're very soft. I don't know why I keep drinking this. It kind of tastes like if you blended strawberry milk and Cheerios and then drained everything and drank the juice. Does that make sense? Like, it's not very strawberry forward and it tastes very earthy. It's not bad, you know? It's just not good, you know? I mean, I would never buy it again. And I don't think I want to finish this. But yet, I bought it, so I feel like I need to finish it. We're gonna put it away for now. Again, the little tapioca bits are not bad for being a canned version, so I'm not horribly upset at that. Okay, next thing, Ramen Snack by GGE. GG? Tomato flavored. The little girl is very cute with her tomato hat. If you've had ramen or you've broken up your dried ramen and added the seasoning, we did this in high school a lot. I'm guessing that's what this is going to taste like. Product of Taiwan. Avoid sunlight, yada yada. Not much, so. Ooh, it smells very tomatoey. It smells, have you ever had the Pretz tomato sticks or like anything pizza flavor, like pizza Pringles? That's what it smells like. They're very cute. I wouldn't say that looks like ramen either, because ramen are usually a little bit more spirally. But they smell very good. No taste. Yeah, that's good. If you've had tomato flavored anything, that's what this tastes like dried ketchup. That doesn't sound appetizing. Ketchup flavored. It's sweet, it's savory, it's good. I would go for it. What I love about dried ramen in the package is that it's so crunchy. And these aren't terribly crunchy. They're actually relatively soft. But they're good. Thumbs up. I'd snack on these. They come in different flavors too. Shrimp flavored, tomato flavored. I'm sure there's a sweet version of this. There usually is. Sweet, savory, very tasty, very seasoned well. But I wouldn't classify this as a ramen snack by any means. It's not very as crunchy as I would have thought. This is good. This, we're gonna go with, yeah, again, like, it's not bad, but it's not good by any means. It's just kind of meh. So, thank you for joining me. Trying to build more of a YouTube base. So if you want to comment below, if you made it through this whole thing, comment below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and head over to my Instagram too, where I do more daily posts. I'm trying to be relatively consistent with these, but yeah, exciting things coming up. I have some picoricodulces coming this week, and they're the sweetest family, so I'm excited to do another review for them and might have a little discount code for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you later.